Here is something interesting for you people. So this is about a conversation between a recruiter and me. The recruiter who is getting trained currently is a domestic recruiter, she is. So here is what the problem was. So she had a network security engineer position, and she is able to find candidates, but the problem was when she was interacting with the candidates and asking them about the technologies, the skills and the duties, they were saying that I only have less experience, or when she was sharing that okay, how much you will be comfortable with this requirement, or how your skills match with this need, they say it's a 60% or 50% match because I do not do much hands-on. Now she was worried about it, that I'm able to pick everything, but why these people are not able to say that which I want, and why I'm not able to find that 100% matching. Then I asked her what is this job is all about. She said, okay sir, it is about the network security position, and client is looking for ASA, Cisco ASA, firewall, everything. Then I asked, okay, what is the job description, right? This happened a previous day. All right, I'm going to show you what sort of job description is that, and so on. And the best part here is she shared her keywords as well. Okay, that's how we will understand, right, what is this all about. Then I asked her about where did you search, and she said whatever the keywords are there, I'm put in search bar in Naukri, and I get all those information, and I call the candidates are answering my calls, and when I'm asking, the problem is they are not 100% match. Then I said, if this is the case, then how you are doing your submission? She said, I'm having really hard time doing submission because I really need to know that where I'm going wrong. Then she asked me, sir, what is the Cisco firewalls, because client is looking for Cisco firewalls primarily. Is that ASA or something else that I need to look for? Then I asked her, okay, why don't you share your job requirement and let me have a look at it. Okay, this is what she shared with me. All right, and this is what we are going to understand. So it was previously, it was in this Thursday. So she shared one project management requirement. All right, this is what a project manager requirement that I have spoken to her. And another requirement that we had was this one, security engineer. Now I asked her, so this is the bullet point, this is this the skills, and this is the need the client was looking for. Now I had a look at it. Then I asked her, okay, now what was your string, right? Now here she shared her, okay, these are the detailed descriptions. And here for IT project manager, she has used these few words, and for Cisco firewall, she has used Cisco firewall, ASA firewall, network, VPN, SSL, so on and so forth. Okay, then I tried to understand, and I had given some tips. And guess what? Day before yesterday, we had a call yesterday, and she said, sir, I was so surprised to see that each candidate I was talking, they are 100% matched to the job. Now this is something I feel more confident, and my self image went up, and I feel so confident now that yes, this particular learning was really helpful for me, because I did not know that I was doing something wrong. The same words, same things I was using, but somewhere things were not working. Now I understood in a deep manner that how I could able to get more profiles and matching, and this is exactly what I shared with her, and this is what you are going to learn. I told her to read between the line, understand what exactly the client is looking for, rather than using words as your keywords. Now what she was doing is she was using, you saw, right, Cisco firewall, network, security, and this is what VPN, SSL she was picking. And what is that she was hitting is she was hitting all the networking people, security people, everybody, because firewall is a general thing, network security general thing, Cisco firewall, ASA, those are normal things, and the same goes with SSL, VPN, those are very normal things. And it was hitting the network admin people, and those are the people who do not play around with the in-depth firewall things. Now, how do you understand? If you read the first sentence, right? Design, review, ongoing assessment of firewall, intrusion detection, intrusion prevention. If you remember, this is like IDS and IPS, all right? Systems, and SIM, VPN, SSL, application control, antivirus, and other network component policies. Now, this person need to design, review, and it needs ongoing assessment. This person has to do. Not only that, responsible for managing network security for this ASA, FTD, ISC, these all Cisco products. At the same time, to manage all network securities related service request, all this network security related service request, it is not about system security, software security. It's about network security. Before a hacker enters in, there needs to be some checkpoints, there needs to be some firewalls, that it needs to be stopped at the network level itself before someone goes into the software or their architecture. Got it, people? That's what this person need. And if you see this one, yeah, the fourth bullet was projects. What is that? To manage all network securities related service requests, projects that are raised, the projects that are raised via the help desk system monitoring tool, and prioritize them accordingly. So help desk system monitoring tool, whatever the service request goes back, this person has to take it on priority and solve them. Periodical gap analysis and reporting finding to manage and security footprint and devices. So periodical gap analysis, what is that currently going on, where we want to go, then what is that is stopping, that's what called gap analysis. This person has to do the real assessment, gap analysis, and everything. Now these are the tools. We do not these are the tools that primarily required, but before you understand tool, you need to understand what kind of animal that you are going to find. This is not a network admin, network engineer kind of person. This is someone who does the assessments, who really understands what exactly it is required, primarily works on the security side. So I asked her, why don't you use keywords like assessment, intrusion detection, intrusion prevention, then mention network security, then use this. And this is what few of the information, few of the tips I have shared. And guess what? She was surprised, because earlier she was hitting with these technologies, now she was hitting with the duties. So here the learning is not just only like a orthodox person, like someone only I do in this way. Don't do that. If you are not getting results, be an inventor of your own logic, because that's what it is. The whole system, software, everything is built at their own logic, but every human being has their own logic in the brain. So don't get frustrated if you do not get any profile with your Boolean string. It means the keywords that you are using might not be hitting, or the keywords that is hitting properly, you are getting profiles, but the context is not right. All right. For example, knife is your keyword, and you are looking someone who can use knife properly, and you might be getting a butcher or a serial killer, right? Now, but what is that your client needs? They need a chef who can use a knife. Now you see the difference. You are looking for a knife or a person who is using it, but here you are missing the context. So the same thing has happened. She was using those technologies but missing the context. Now when she understood the concept and when she went back, it was easier for her to identify someone matching. All right. So this is what the takeaway I wanted to share with you people, and I hope it was helpful for you. And here is a request I have. If you like this video, please share it with others, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and ask other recruiters to subscribe, so that we all together can able to impact 5 million lives being a recruiter. All right. I invite everybody to the mission, and if you have any questions, anything else, let me know in the comment box, and I wish you a good luck. Thank you so very much. Once again, this is Suman Pachigulla on a mission to impact 5 million lives through recruiters. Once again, take care, and I love you guys. Take care, people.